Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can draw neon line on your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to create a new Instagram story. I'm going to click on this plus button and then I'm going to select story. And for instance, I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one, guys. Okay, and if we want to draw a neon line, we can click on these three dots and then select draw. Okay, and you can click on the three dots again and select the neon. Okay, and you can choose the color. I'm just going to choose the blue. Okay, and I'm going to draw on my Instagram story, just like so. Okay, once you're done, you can click on done. And then after you're ready to share your story, you just need to click on your story. Alright guys, and that's all the way to draw neon line on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.